Welcome to the unique collection of plastic bags for the Christmas season from HAPLAST Group. Introducing our standout product, the Christmas Polybag Basket. Made from premium LDPE material, each bag weighs just 50 grams, with spacious dimensions of 22 x 25 inches to meet all your holiday needs. These bags are designed with vibrant multicolored prints, capturing the festive spirit. The set includes 3 designs, one of which is clear, all printed using 4-color technology for a sharp and elegant finish. The Christmas Polybag Basket is thoughtfully packaged, 2 bags per cell pack, 6 cell packs in a larger inner bag, and 10 inner bags in a carton, ensuring convenience and eco-friendliness. With a capacity of up to 60 sets per carton, this product is perfect not only for personal use, but also as an ideal business solution during the holiday season. Choose the Christmas Polybag Basket to bring convenience and style to your Christmas this year.